hey, we've got something really fun for you today. On today's Tool Showdown, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about sanding. We're going to talk about doing it by hand with a block sander or with the electric random orbit disc sander. And the whole idea here is to find out which one takes less time to do and which one's more fun than the other. So here we go. I'm going to take my block sander. I've got 120 grit sandpaper on here. I put some pencil marks on there so you can see kind of where we're going and where we've been. Takes a little bit to get it off there. Takes a little bit. It's coming. Slow but sure. And when you're sanding, you pretty much always want to go with the grain of the wood versus going across the grain and putting in scratches that are going to be hard to get out later on. So there, with that, we're going to call that good enough for our tool episode. There we go. That's half of it done with our block sander. Now, let's switch over to the good old everyday electric powered random orbit disc, and let's show you how quick this will knock it out. Totally different, isn't it? You get a good result in both cases, but the random orbit disc a whole lot faster than the sanding block over here, which is a whole lot more fun. Neither one of them are. Sanding is not fun. I don't care what you're doing or what you're doing or not. It's not fun. It's a necessity in what we do here in the workshop. You got to do it. The last thing I always do, to tell you the truth, is I always use a block sander to go with my grain on my last grit to make sure I don't have any swirling marks that are left from the random orbit disc. So ultimately, they're both winners because you end up using both of them. So Tool Showdown wise, I think these two are finishing a dead heat.